Today, let's talk about the best official cases and charging gear for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the entire Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Let's kick things off with the cases. Samsung keeps its premium tradition alive with first-party cases crafted specifically for the S26 lineup. Starting with the silicone case, it delivers a smooth, soft-touch finish and a slim design that keeps your S26 Ultra looking clean and stylish. It protects against scratches and light drops while maintaining a comfortable grip without adding bulk. Then there's the clear case, if you want to show off the S26 Ultra's stunning new colors and refined design. This case keeps everything visible while adding everyday protection. It's lightweight, minimal, and preserves the original premium feel of the device. For those who need tougher protection, Samsung's rugged style protective case features reinforced corners and shock-absorbing materials. It's perfect for travelers or anyone who tends to drop their phone more often than they'd like to admit. Samsung is also expected to continue the Smart View wallet case. This flip cover lets you check notifications, receive calls, and control music without even opening the case. It blends protection with convenience and productivity in a sleek design. Now let's move on to charging accessories. The Galaxy S26 Ultra supports ultra-fast wired charging, but to unlock its full speed, you'll need Samsung's official super-fast charging adapter. The 45 watts charger is likely to remain the ideal option for the Ultra model, giving you quick top-ups whenever your battery runs low. If you prefer wireless charging, the Wireless Charger Duo is an excellent choice. It allows you to power up your S26 Ultra and Galaxy Watch simultaneously. Clean, cable-free, and perfect for a bedside or desk setup. For users who are constantly on the move, a high-capacity Samsung power bank with super-fast charging support is essential. Whether you're traveling, in meetings, or out all day, it ensures your device never runs out of juice. And don't overlook high-quality USB-C to USB-C cables. Using certified cables guarantees stable power delivery and helps maintain your battery's long-term health. One key reminder, Samsung no longer includes a charger in the box. That means getting the right official charging accessory isn't optional anymore. It's necessary to truly maximize your Galaxy S26 Ultra experience. So if you're upgrading to the S26 Ultra, don't stop at just the phone. Complete the setup with the perfect case and charging combo. Drop a comment below. Do you prefer a slim and minimal case or something rugged and protective? And for more Galaxy S26 tips, hidden features, and updates, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.